In this video, I will show you how to continue recording a draft video on TikTok. First of all, after you open up your TikTok like this, now tap on this. As you can see now, here is tap on this plus button to record a video. So after you come to this session now, I would now start with this 60-second. So now I'll just record a video, short video now. As you can see now, I'll just record like 2 to 5 second video. So I'll just tap on this save button. So I'll now tap on this. As you can see now I'll just tap on this next button. So as you can see now, here is now my video. So I'll just tap on this draft button to save the video on draft. So now I save my video on draft. So now if I want to continue recording this video, after you open your TikTok like this, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side and tap on this menu at the top right side. Now go to settings and privacy again. Under the settings and privacy, scroll to down and tap on this where it says free app space. So as you can see now, under this free app space, all you have to do now, scroll to down and tap on this manage draft. As you can see now, draft, tap on this manage beside the draft. So now you can be able now to see all your draft videos on TikTok. So here is mine that I just started now. So I'll just tap on it. Here it says today. So now it will open the video now for me. So as you can see now, here is the video now that I just started recording. So now if I want to just continue recording this video, tap on this back arrow. So as you can see now, as I tap on this back arrow, as you can see now it gives me another button now to continue recording my video. So now I'll just continue recording my video like this. As you can see now here is the video. As you can see now I continue recording my TikTok video. Here is it. As you can see now it's recording the video. So after you finish recording your video, now tap on this save button again. So now as you can see now tap on this next button. Now you can go ahead and add what you want to add, description and all what is needed to upload a video on TikTok, and upload your video on TikTok by tapping on this pause button. That's it guys on how to continue recording a draft video in TikTok. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys.